This is Bill. Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Today, we're going to discuss a stock that is in what I consider to be the sweet spot of the future that has recently shown strong performance in these current suboptimal market conditions. I had previously owned a stock that I recently noted in scanning charts looked very promising, so after further investigation, I took a new position in the stock. That stock is Meridan Bioscience, which trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol VIVO. Biotechnology is a sector that I consider a hot place to be in the next decade or so, and my evaluation shows the sector seems currently in favor, showing high levels of accumulation. So who is Meridan Bioscience and what is their area of expertise? Well, in reviewing the company website, always an important part of my evaluation process, we note the Cincinnati-based company focuses on life sciences and diagnostics. Life discovered, life diagnosed, as they vividly signal. The website states Meridan Bioscience is the leading manufacturer of molecular and immunological reagents for diagnostic applications. Further, the company states they have the best-in-class diagnostic platforms, tests, education, and support to help you deliver answers. I like that last part, helping you deliver answers. I believe as healthcare moves forward into a brave new world, one with great promise as technological advancements are poised to change our world, a patient must take ownership, house their own data, and become their own top advocate in their efforts at healthcare, or even health cure. Meridan states they are a company of optimists, thinkers, collaborators, and advocates, a perfect teammate for us patients. The company states Meridan is a fully integrated life science company that develops, manufactures, markets, and distributes a broad range of innovative diagnostic products and critical raw materials. They are dedicated to developing and delivering better solutions that give answers with speed, accuracy, and simplicity that redefine the possibilities of life from discovery to diagnosis, end quote. Among the areas the company states they help providers make better diagnostic decisions focuses on gastrointestinal, neonatal, pediatrics, and respiratory conditions. This is a wide-ranging company that really seems to be excelling in manufacturing and diagnostic applications. So what did I find in my charting evaluation process that further gave me confidence this company could be a strong performing stock moving forward? Over on TradingView.com, it certainly appears that the stock has formed a cup and handle pattern before breaking out on very strong volume. I learned about the cup and handle formation from William O'Neill in his book, How to Make Money in Stocks. This is a must-read for every investor. Investopedia notes, quote, as a stock forming this pattern tests old highs, it is likely to incur selling pressure from investors who previously bought at these levels. Selling pressure is likely to make price consolidate with the tendency toward a downtrend for a period of 4 days to 4 weeks before advancing higher. A cup and handle is considered a bullish continuation pattern and is used to identify buying opportunities, end quote. Let's zoom out and view a weekly chart of VIVO from finviz.com. We can see after basing the stock bolted higher in early February and then began another basing process, including a downdraft to a previous level of support which occurred on low volume, before forming the cup and handle pattern that the stock broke out from in late June. Let's take a look at the daily chart of VIVO from finviz.com. Once the stock cleared resistance in the high 20s, we seem to have blue skies ahead. Do take note of the slight falling of the stock on low volume since the breakout. This formation has the look of a bull flag, which is another very strong bullish signal. What kind of rating does Meridan Bioscience have? Well, over at investors.com, we can see the stock has a composite rating of 94, which is quite good. The earnings per share rating is good at 82, but again, this is a biotech company. The relative strength rating is excellent at 98, and the accumulation rating is an improving C+. In this daily chart from investors.com, note, highlighted in yellow, all the high volume spikes that took place on up days. This is not Aunt Mary and Uncle Bob from the villages. These are professionals in accumulation mode. and see the huge red volume spike at the breakout marked with a green arrow? The stock hardly fell off after that big move, and that's another sign of accumulation. So folks, I'm really glad I recognized some of these things and bought some Meridan Bioscience as it was forming the right side of the cup and handle formation. The company seems quite good, and I view the industry as on the precipice of a power move as technologies, innovations, and advancements bring healthcare to exciting new frontiers. When you couple the patient armed with their own data, advocating in relationship with a life science, services, and diagnostics partner, we have a powerful position for the future. So what are your thoughts on Meridan Bioscience? Do leave us some comments. We're interested to hear. Now please do understand, however, that I am not a financial advisor. I'm just visiting with you folks, informing you of some moves that I have made. Perhaps you may find this company fits with your guidelines that you have set for your portfolio. Well, that's all we have today, folks. We would appreciate it if you would please help us out by liking our video and subscribing to our page. You can also follow us on Facebook over at Future Breakout. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.